W to successfully achieve your goals in 2026 motivational and friendly speech. Good morning everyone, and to those listening from anywhere in the world, thank you for being here today. Let me start with a simple truth. 2026 is not just another year. It is a fresh opportunity to become the person you promised yourself you would be. We all start a new year with dreams. Some write them down. Some keep them in their hearts. And some don't even dare to dream anymore because they've been disappointed before. If that's you, listen carefully. Your past failures do not define your future success. Small Blue Diamond Step 1. Get clear on what you truly want. The first step to achieving your goals in 2026 is clarity. Not, I want to be successful. Not, I want more money. Not, I want a better life. Ask yourself, what does success look like for me? How much money do I want to earn? What skills do I want to master? What kind of person do I want to become? When your goals are clear, your mind starts working for you. Clarity turns confusion into direction. Small Blue Diamond Step 2. Stop waiting for motivation, build discipline. Let's be honest. Motivation is emotional. Discipline is dependable. In 2026, don't wait to feel motivated. Work when you're tired. Work when no one is watching. Work when progress feels slow. Because success doesn't come from big dramatic actions. It comes from small, boring, repeated efforts done daily. Small Blue Diamond Step 3. Break big goals into small daily wins. Big goals can feel scary. That's why most people quit. Instead of saying, I want to change my life this year, say, what can I do today? What one habit can I improve this week? What small step moves me forward? Small wins create confidence. Confidence creates momentum. Momentum creates success. Small Blue Diamond Step 4. Accept failure as part of growth. You will fail in 2026. And that's okay. Failure is not the opposite of success. It's part of it. Every successful person you admire failed more times than they can count. The difference is, they didn't stop. So when things don't go your way, learn, adjust, move forward. Never quit on yourself. Small Blue Diamond Step 5. Protect your mindset. Your environment shapes your future. In 2026, limit negativity. Reduce overthinking. Stop comparing your journey to others. Remember, social media shows highlights, not hard work. Feed your mind with learning, positivity, growth-focused content. Your mindset is either your biggest weapon or your biggest weakness. Small Blue Diamond Step 6. Take responsibility for your life. This part is powerful. Stop blaming your past, your background, your luck, other people. The moment you take full responsibility for your life, you take back your power. You may not control everything that happens to you, but you always control how you respond. Small Blue Diamond Step 7. Be consistent, not perfect. You don't need to be perfect in 2026. You need to be consistent. Some days you'll give 100%. Some days you'll give 40%. Both are okay, as long as you don't quit. Progress over perfection. Always. Small Blue Diamond Step 8. Believe in your future self. Close your eyes for a moment and imagine yourself at the end of 2026. Stronger, smarter, more confident, proud of the effort you put in. That version of you is waiting. Every disciplined decision brings you closer. Glowing Star Final Message. Let 2026 be the year you stop doubting yourself. The year you stop procrastinating. The year you choose growth over comfort. You don't need permission. You don't need perfect timing. You just need to start and keep going. Your goals are achievable. Your dreams are valid. And your future is in your hands. Make 2026 the year you look back on and say, I didn't just wish for change, I worked for it. Thank you. And go create the life you deserve. Flex Bicep Sparkles.